Hello everybody! Today we're going to be talking about extending chords in the realm of jazz via the 2/1 principle. We're going to be working in the key of C for this. So let's look at our first chord. If you see a C major 13 sharp 11, we're going to use the 2/1 principle to break this down. So with this major chord, we are going to do major over major, and that will translate into 2/1. So the second scale degree of C is D, so that will be our 2, and then over 1, which is C, and we'll do a C major 7 in the bottom. So in your left hand on the piano, you're going to have a C major 7 chord, and in the right hand, a D major triad to make 2/1. And you can play the D pentatonic scale over top of this for melodic material. That's all going to sound like this together. Our next chord extension that we're going to look at is a C minor 13. And you guessed it, this will now be minor over minor. Still 2/1. And since we're still working in C, we're going to have D on top, and it will be D minor triad since we're doing minor over minor. And underneath will be a C minor 7 triad. So again, left hand, C minor 7, right hand, D minor. And it's going to sound like this. Moving on, we're going to look at a C dominant 13 sharp 11. This will now shift to a major over dominant, still 2/1, so it's going to be a D major triad over a C dominant chord in your left hand. And for this chord extension, instead of the normal pentatonic D scale that you can use for all of these other 2/1 extensions, you're going to use D pentatonic with a flat 6. That's going to sound like this. Our final chord extension we'll be looking at is our C7 alt, or our altered chord. This will be formed with a minor flat 2 triad on top over the root and the flat 7th scale degree, which translates into a D flat minor triad in your right hand over a C and a B flat in your left hand. That's going to sound like this. And that's all for today on our 2/1 chord extensions. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.